Well, Facebook back again with a new point. It's entitled Me Have Ambition. Me have ambition, me say me have ambition. Me have ambition, me say me have ambition. Nobody judge me because of my qualification. Do nobody judge me because of where me come from. Me have ambition, me say me have ambition. Me have ambition, me say me have ambition. Do nobody judge me because of my qualification. Nobody judge me because of where me come from. Not because me never finish school. Means me have to give in to failure and frustration. Me say me have ambition, me say me have ambition. Me have ambition, me say me have ambition. Nobody judge me cause of my qualification. Nobody judge me cause of where me come from. Me ready to be something great despite circumstances knocking and holding me at the gate. Me say me have ambition, me say me have ambition, me have ambition, me say me have ambition. Nobody judge me cause of my qualification. Do nobody judge me cause of where me come from. Me gotta work. So me won't be no gunman and a scammer to destroy me nation. Me say me have ambition, me say me have ambition, me have ambition, me say me have ambition. Nobody judge me cause of my qualification. Nobody judge me cause of where me come from. Not because me knock Sarah Jane and Debbie. Me, and the girl on the corner left high school with her belly. Doesn't mean say me can't aspire to be somebody. Me have ambition, me say me have ambition, me have ambition, me say me have ambition. Do nobody judge me cause of my qualification. Nobody judge me cause of where me come from. Me have ambition, me say me have ambition, me have ambition. The stone where the builder refuse shall be the head cornerstone. You cast me out, you reject me, you mock me, you say me now come out to nothing good. But me have ambition, and my ambition is to fulfill God's mission.